English conversation. Conversation 1. Booking a hotel room. Good evening, how can I help you? Good evening, how can I help you?
I'd like to book a room, please. I'd like to book a room, please.
For how many nights? For how many nights?
Two nights. Two nights.
Single or double room? Single or double room?
A double room, please. A double room, please.
Your room is ready. Enjoy your stay. Your room is ready. Enjoy your stay. Conversation 2. Booking a table at a restaurant. Hello, I'd like to book a table for dinner. Hello, I'd like to book a table for dinner.
Sure, for how many people? Sure, for how many people?
For 4 people, please. For 4 people, please.
At what time? At what time?
At 7:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m.
Your table is booked. See you then. Your table is booked. See you then.
Conversation 3. Booking a travel ticket. Hello, how can I help you? Hello, how can I help you?
I want to book a ticket to Cairo. I want to book a ticket to Cairo.
One way or round trip? One way or round trip?
Round trip, please? Round trip, please?
What date would you like to travel? What date would you like to travel?
On August 20th. On August 20th.
Your ticket is confirmed. Your ticket is confirmed. Follow for more.